Hello everyone, welcome to my new budgeting tool. So if you go to the first tab here, you will find all the instructions, but I think it is better to explain with a video. All right, so first of all, this is your monthly budgeted tab. Here you will enter your logo. So by entering to enter the logo, go to the insert and then images and insert the image over cell. You will click here and browse your logo here, and then you can place the logo here. You can change this as well, or remove and you can move the logo here as well, and click here and change the name of month. All right, so if you go here, from here to here, okay, so this is the things where you will enter the data manually. You will enter your paychecks, like your budget was 3500 and the side income was 1000. You will enter here, and if you go here, you will see the formulas are there, so you don't need to enter anything in this column. If you go further down here, you will enter the bills here and the date, and then the budgeted amount, and again this is the actual column, so you don't need to enter anything in this actual column. All right, and these are the variable expenses. You will enter the expenses here. These are the custom categories, so you can change these categories. You can change this as well. Double click and enter the category as you want to enter, and in this column you will input the budgeted amount, and again this is the actual value, so you don't have to enter anything in this column. Now here you will enter your savings, your budget, and the actual amount will be here. Okay, and if you go down here, you have to enter your budgeted amount here and your actual amount as well in this column. Okay, and if you go down here, you will enter your extra debts, like your credit card payments, your budget and actual. Okay, so here in this actual and in this actual, you will enter your data manually here and here as well. Okay, so if you go to the next tab, this is the expense tracker, and you will enter your actual expenses in this tab. Okay, you can enter your, double click here, you will see a calendar here, and select the date and put the amount here, and this is for any suitable your description and whatever you want to enter to remember this entry. Okay, and then from the drop down you will select a expense category, and exactly same thing is with the income. Okay, so this is expense tracker for actual expense, and this is for income, your actual income of that month. If you are making the income on the daily basis, so you will enter on the daily basis here, or if you are making the income on like you are salaried person, so you will enter only one entry here, and that will automatically go in the monthly tab here. All right, and this is the dashboard. The dashboard will show you the summary. All right, so this is the summary of your budget, and then the actual amount here, and all of the bills and your actual bills, and the variable expenses, savings and extra debts. Okay, and if you will go here, you will see the available for budget. Okay, so available for budget means if you go to the this monthly tab, and you will see the same thing here. Okay, so what you are planning to receive. So for example, if you are a salaried individual and you are going to receive a salary of $3,000 or $4,000, so you will enter your budgeted income here. Okay, and if you go here, you will see this is the budget that is available for to allocate to different expenses. Okay, and this is the total budgeted amount, like this one plus this one plus this one plus this one. So these are your expenses, or you can say these are your outflows. Okay, this is your inflow and these are your outflows. So it means that you have allocated $4,400 and you have your remaining budget of $100. Okay, and this is only for the budget. And if you will talk about the actual income or expenses, you will see here the available for available to spend. So this is your 3900 is your actual income. You can see this is your actual income, and you have you spent $3,825, and this is remaining in your hand. Okay, so you spend these on, I guess these are, if you make the total of, just a second, if you make the total, like you can see 3,825, the total bills, the total variable expenses, your savings, your extra debts, this will equal to this one. Okay, and this is equal to this one. So this is the summary. So this is the breakdown of your of this summary. Okay, and now you can see the spending breakdown. You can see the spending breakdown, and here you will see that bills are on the top. I mean the bills are on the top of your expenses. Okay, and if you go down here, you will see again see the expenses percentage. If you this is the category wise percentages. If you go here, you will see these categories. Okay, and this is the category wise expenses, like groceries, the food. The groceries are 16% of all of your expenses, and these are miscellaneous expenses, which is 48% of your all of your expenses. And this is my budgeted overview. Okay, so these are bills. This will show you this is the actual bills, and these the darker one is the actual, and light one is the budgeted, the actual budgeted. And this is what I have. And if you want this one, so you can check the link below in the description, and you can purchase this budgeting tool. And this is very cheap, it's not expensive. So okay, so I forget to explain one last thing, is which is this calendar. This is a bonus tool for you. You can enter here your daily expenses, like for example mortgage, internet expense, telephone, the care day, and the student loan. And you can tick mark if you have paid, or you can write any note here as well. So what you're gonna do is you can change the date here, like this is 2023, I will set the 2022, and that 2022 starts from Tuesday. I will enter the date 01/01/2022. Press enter, remove this one. Okay, so now it's starting from and end till here. I will just copy this one and go here and paste here. Okay, so now I have adjusted for 2020 March 2022. All right, so if this is, for example, January 2024, and it starts from here 01/01/2024, and I will just copy the format painter and paint here, and then is equal to this one plus 1. All right, so I have adjusted accordingly. I want to remove this one. Okay, so now I have adjusted for the next month. So you have to do only in once in a month. Okay, and you can use this, read this, and you can make the copy, like here, go here and make a copy for the next for the next month. All right, thank you so much. And if you want to make any change in this, or you want any customization in this sheet, so you can contact me. You have the my contact detail. You can contact my Etsy account, and you can message me there, and I'll do the changes which you want. Okay, and if you want to change the colors, I can do that for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and take care.